Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A little update here. It's Saturday. I have been driving around the country and picking up some Commodore 64, two Commodore 64s and a couple of Amigas. Well, this one is from a subscriber, YouTube subscriber called Anders. Tack for helden, Anders. He had this for many years and this Amiga should work fine. And I hope so. This will be one of my winter projects, and I bought this because it had it had this big disc box. Let's check out the 2 seconds. Let's see if there are any damage from the battery here. Oh man, the battery has been removed, or maybe never installed. 512 kilobyte external RAM for Amiga 500. Alright, no battery. Well, that's nice. Alright, so an Amiga 500. And actually, I don't have a box like this with the 3 rows, so that was interesting for me. Whenever I get contacted actually a lot by my subscribers, which is great. Thank you guys. And sometimes for donations, and sometimes if I want to buy some of their old machines, they often write to me that they don't use these old machines. I can buy them pretty cheap, and every time I see something I don't have, then I drive and buy it. And this is one of the things I didn't have in my collection, so thank you, Anders. That's great. And it's got the usual, of course, the transformer here, the modulator, a joystick, quick shot with auto fire. Some of these have switches and others don't, so I like the ones with switches. We got a deco joystick. These they always work, They're incredible. This is my first joystick from back in my Commodore 64 Amiga 600 times. Crappy joystick to play with today, I know, but I mean, this joystick, I have so many memories. It's got yellow pads here, and I think I should open it every once or twice every month and put them on place because they just jumped out and it couldn't move. And I played a lot of Genesis, so the right movement didn't work. So yeah, so we have, oh, I got 2 of them. Nice. And a tank mouse. These, I think the quality of them, I mean, I really like these. They were not that popular back then. I remember people bought some other, but today I think these are real nice. Oh, this is from, I had a friend who had this back from Commodore 64 times. We played a lot of winter games and summer games. Also a pretty shitty joystick here. STV model Quickshot 1. Crappy joystick, man. So yeah, another Amiga 500. And I had another guy here that these should actually work. Oh. This is not the way to this looks like just 512 kilobytes of RAM expansion for the Amiga 500. Yeah, I'll put it gently here. Another one, oh, with a battery. I hope it works, guys. Again for Amiga 500. another one here. Yeah, they're nice. So what do we have here? We got a what's it called? The arcade, one of my favorites. These are pretty awesome to play with. And another quick shot here. With oh, this is Scorpion model. Oh, also switches up here. That's nice. So we have another. Oh, that's the Vico. What's it called? The Boss. Yeah, these one also always work. And it says Amiga here. We got RF cables here. We've got a external disk drive. Normally I started this channel making, I want to make some reviews and document these old machines, so we had it on YouTube forever. But every time I make these unboxing videos, I get so many emails from all you guys that, I mean, I get awesome response. So not every time, but when I buy, you know, two or three machines, then I will film them and make these unboxing videos that you guys like so much. Okay, we got an Amiga 500 here. Oh damn, and it smells of smoke. I hate that. I hate that. This one will go to my friend's place. Please no battery acid, please. Oh man, so I got some extra boards and I got... There we go. Okay, it looks... Oh, look at this. It should be green. Sorry. It should have these gold legs, like just like here, but as you can see, it's green. So, damn, I hate those batteries, guys. Well, I got some extra ones of these RAM expansions. So, look at this. Never opened. Well, I like that. So, another Amiga 500. Great. 20-year-old batch. And another Amiga 500. Is it the Plus? No, it's not the Plus model. So let's see, this one has been opened. I will just quick check this because these Amigas that I call winter project, I buy these Amigas, but they get stored at my friend's place, and when I have the time, I will. What's this? Look at this, guys. All right. Well, when it's winter and we don't want to go outside, no beach and all that with my son and all that, then I will. Oh man, come on! Oh, there we go. Oh yes, no battery. 512K expansion. I love it when the battery is missing. Whoa, I got a lot of expansion boards this time. That's nice, because I think these Amiga 500s, if you don't have the expansions to 1 megabyte, they're just pretty useless. I got PC here. Oh, I had another box with a Commodore 128, but it didn't have the what's it called, the PSU. So, I mean, he didn't know if it worked, but I got it pretty cheap, so I couldn't just leave it. Another disk drive, guys. This is I have seen this before, but I don't know what the... Yeah, another Amiga external disk drive. I love them. They're pretty easy to put in a what's it called, go-check drive in. Another external disk drive. Again, no name. And that's oh, we got a hard disk here. Nice, we got a hard disk for an Amiga 1200 or 600. What does it contain? I don't want to take these disk boxes out. Oh, look at this. Commodore Amiga Fever. We got a game here called Sliders with Danish manual. That's great. Absolutely no idea about this game. So we've got a manual here for the TV modulator. What do we have? We got a RGB to SCART connection. I always love them. TV modulator. Two tank mouses down there. Another PSU. And we have some more games, I think. Oh man, look at this. Just so old. Oh, more joysticks. Nice. So we have another of these Vico Boss, and this is a no-name. No, it's a Competition Pro. What? Pro F competition. Pro F competition. I don't know this one. Well, it's got switches, but hey, a new joystick. That's great. All right, Competition F Pro. Yeah. So we have the Vico. Actually, last week I got another one of these with stripes on. I didn't see that back in the day. Again, they always work, these ones. And another, again, Vico joystick. I mean, the gameplay with them, it's not the best, guys. My joysticks needs to have auto fire. I play a lot of, what's it called? Shoot 'em ups, and I love auto fire on shoot 'em up games. We got another, what's this? Oh, it's a SCART connector here. And quick video. I'm so sorry. I will hurry up. What's this? I have never seen a joystick like this. Cruiser. Is it? I hope it's for the Amiga. Last time I got some Atari joysticks. Oh, it's got switches. Nice. Does it have auto fire? No, but it. All right, nice. Looking forward to try these. And another game here. What's it called? Premier Manager 2. I hate sports games, but yeah. And some more Amiga discs. All right, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching this unboxing videos. Another one here, and I just want to use 2 seconds to say thank you for all your comments and your emails, and I mean, every time you write, nice channel, man, new channel. I just found out about it, and great content, great videos. It makes me so happy. I mean, it makes me want to film a lot more. I have so much of these arcade machines, and I just can't stop myself. I want to buy everything. I don't know why. I just love everything I buy. Every time, almost every time I buy something, I get something new, you know, guys. And it's such a nice feeling. I want to have all the things I wanted back then when I was a little kid, you know. And this time it was these joysticks and some more RAM expansions. And last week I got donated 3 or 4 Amiga 500s, and none of them had the RAM expansion. So this one's great, and I'm happy about that. Then I know that they don't have battery leakage. So yeah, that's great. So again, please feel free to share my videos, and I hope you'll subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome, guys. So until next time, play some Amiga. Bye.